Where are my blue-eyed girls? Let's talk about some eyeshadow for you. Blue eyes, I think, is so beautiful when you add in some type of gold fleck. Warm browns. So let me show you this look. Okay, I'm tapping into a little bit of basic and just doing that as like windshield wiper across the lid. You can also use Bubba. Bubba's really pretty on blue eyes. Next, I'm going in with this color called Pomegranate. Anything that's like red and warm is so beautiful on blue eyes. I'm just kind of building that up on the outer corner, tapping in a little bit of Blondie to give that really pretty warmth. And then I actually go in and tap just a little bit of Angel's Landing right in the middle just to brighten it up just a little bit. Look at that. Super easy. And remember, you can go medium tone reds. I love Zion. You've got also some really pretty kind of purpley mauves are beautiful on blue eyes, but don't be afraid to go in with a little bit of gold shimmer.